Welcome. This is the next set of AIIMS paper based on memory questions for your AIIMS 2019 examination. Very important. Similar questions could be part of your other competitive examinations in this year as well. So who has been appointed as the governor of RBI? Shakti Das is the right answer. A very important question in light of the recent appointments that were seen in last years. The next is, this question is related to Mission Shakti. So which agency conducted the anti-satellite missile test recently? The correct answer is DRDO. We have already covered one of the lectures on Mission Shakti. Very important. This was one of the first videos to come and very important for your any upcoming examination this year. Mission Shakti, the intricacies of the project related to it. The next is a very basic question from geography again. Which of the following is odd one out with respect to coastal line in India? Now coastal line in India, if we understand, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu are on the eastern coast. Karnataka is on the western coast. So the only odd one out is Karnataka here. The next question is, 3 fruits, banana, mango and oranges are available in the ratio 3x, 4x and 1x, 3:4:1. Now, if 3 bananas are removed, the new ratio is 2:4:1. If I total this, this is 7. If I total this is 8. So the difference is of 1 banana. I have to create a difference of 3 bananas. That's a very simple way of solving it. So what I do is, I do 3 times the number. So this becomes 24, this becomes 21. Now the difference is 3. Find out the total number of remaining fruits after removing 3 bananas. So after removing these 3 bananas from the 24 bananas, how many bananas are left? Sorry, how many remaining fruits are left? So we are asking the total fruits. So there would be 21 total fruits that would be left. Again, a very simple question. The next question here is, you have a alphabet series, you have to complete it. The best way to solve this alphabet series is always we say, write the alphabets and write the alphabets in a circular form. MNOPQRS. Okay, so we don't need to go beyond. Now R, I leave 3 and I have N. I leave 3, I have J. I leave 3 and I would have F. So my next letter here would be F. Very simple. The next is, King of Good Times is associated with. King of Good Times is one of the books that was written on Vijay Mallya. So this is related to Vijay Mallya. He was the member of the upper house of India, and later on the times changed. So at one time he was considered as the King of Good Time. So Vijay Mallya is associated with this. So that's the correct answer. Important question. Similarly, you also can have questions related. So 2 important things that happened, Vijay Mallya and Nirav Modi. So another section had a question on Nirav Modi. So that's the kind of fluctuations you have in the question. Now, which of the following Venn diagram, sorry, the spelling is wrong. So it's the Venn diagram represents public transport, buses and vehicles. So I can say public transport includes all kinds of vehicles, and within this vehicles, one vehicle is bus. So this would be a representation of the public transport diagram, bus and vehicle as a Venn diagram. The next question is, Akansha is the aunt of Saurabh. Now this aunt in Hindi relates to Chachi, that is brother's brother. Okay, so Akanksha is the aunt of Saurabh. Saurabh's father is Chandresh. What is the relation between Akansha's husband? So Akansha's husband, since Akansha is the Chachi, husband becomes Chacha. That means husband is the brother of Chandresh. So what is the relation between Akansha's husband and Chandresh? It is the relation of brothers. So that's the correct answer. We have covered a lot many videos on blood relation problems. So just go through those blood relation problems and you will surely get into the right method to solve this. Now here you have the various letters that are given. What we do is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Again I write the letters in a circular form. Now what it is written is G and J. So G and J, I leave 3 letters. Then after J, I have L. And then from L, you have back 3 letters, which is H. But from J to L, what I am doing is, I am jumping 1 letter ahead. From P to R, I am jumping one letter ahead. So P to R, I am jumping one letter ahead. Similarly, from I, what would happen? I would jump one letter ahead. So I leave one letter and jump ahead. So this would be K. So my correct answer here would be K. As simple as that, a kind of very direct question. The next question, again from the Lok Sabha elections, very important. What was announced recently regarding the cross-checking of electronic voting machines with VVPAT during the recent general elections? It was announced that 5% of the VVPATs would be cross-checked for each assembly segment. Previously it was taken into consideration it should be 1, but later on it was finalized at 5%. So very important question for all other competitive examinations. So just cover these topics very carefully. Most important topics that we have covered here. Stay tuned, stay subscribed for upcoming videos on the paper solutions. Have a wonderful day ahead.